दिक्कालाद्यनवच्छिन्नानन्त चिन्मात्रमूर्तये स्वानुभूत्येकमानाय नमः शान्ताय तेजसे. This is the Dhairya Paddhati. Yeah? Dhairya Paddhati. So we have two more shlokas. We finished with this 78th shloka. Annastasya jalayate jalanidhihi kulyayate takshanan meruhu स्वल्पशिलायते मृगपतिः सद्यः कुरंगायते व्यालो माल्यगुणायते विषरसः पीयूषवर्षायते यस्यांगे अखिललोकवल्लभतरं शीलं समन्मीलति. So यस्य अंगे, in whose body or in whose attitude, behavior, you find that this good quality is there. For him, everything, the result of all of these objects which could give him difficulties, kleshadayakani vastuni sarvanyaphi tasya sukhameva dadati iti. Okay. The next one is chinnopi rohati taruhu kshinopi upachiyate punaschandraha. Sorry, 1 minute. छिन्नोपि रोहति तरुः क्षीणोप्युपचीयते पुनश्चन्द्रः इति विमृशन्तः सन्तः सन्तप्यन्ते न लोकेषु. So the na, most of the times, 90% of the times or 99%, you will find that in Kavyam you will have to connect the na with the Kriya Padam. Chinnopi taruhu rohati. You prune, sometimes pruning is absolutely necessary for trees, otherwise it will just grow randomly, right? So you want good fruits, you want sunlight to come, so you can't just let the tree grow so much. Even if it is cut, it is again going to grow. Chinnaha api taruhu, a tree, even when it is cut, rohati, it again grows. Chandraha, kshinaha api, even when the moon becomes less, like today, tomorrow is Amavasya. So like how it goes through the waning period, there is a waxing period for it also, and upachiyate vardhate, it again grows. Iti evam vimrishantaha santaha. So those people who analyze actions in this world in this manner, so when they realize that this is how the world is, when they reflect this, they don't suffer pain. Inniki, na kasyapi atyantam sukham upanatam dukkham ekantatova. Nichair gacchati uparichadasha chakra nemikramena. So nobody has experienced, idhula Tamil kuda onnoru. Enna 30
வருஷம் ஆழ்ந்தவரும் இல்ல 30 வருஷம் தாழ்ந்தவரும் இல்ல.
அது ரைட். There is another ஒரு செய்யுள் மாதிரி ஒன்னு உண்டு. அது 30 துக்கமும்
ஒரு காலம்னா பூனைக்கு ஒரு காலம்.
30 நாள் சேர்ந்து துக்கமும் அனுபவிச்சதில்ல, 30 நாள் சேர்ந்து ஒரு சுகமும் அனுபவிச்சதில்லன்னு இருக்கு ஒண்ணு. So anyway, so the idea is यदि सुखम वर्तते तर्हि तदनन्तरं दुःखस्य प्रसक्तिरपि जायते एव. एवमेव दुःखे यदि वयं भवामः, there is a possibility of sukham after some time. So this is how the world runs, like the chakram. அப்படிங்கிறது people, those who analyze, understand this and they don't suffer in the world. Only those people, those good people who analyze things, reflect upon this truth, they don't suffer. Na tapyante lokeshu. Okay. Aishwaryasya vibhushanam sujanata शौर्यस्य वाक्संयमः ज्ञानस्य उपशमः श्रुतस्य विनयो वित्तस्य पात्रे व्ययः अक्रोधस्तपसः क्षमा प्रभवितुं धर्मस्य निर्व्याजता सर्वेषामपि सर्वकारणमिदं शीलं परं भूषणम्. So each one, Sheelameva Param Bhushanam iti. The moment you have, you know that you have Sheelam, then that person, that Sheelam or that good character becomes an ornament for that person. He doesn't need all of these things. Aishwaryasya Vibhushanam, wealth, someone has wealth, then being kind needs Sujanata. Being nice to another person is the ornament for someone who is wealthy. You have to, otherwise daurjanyam bhavet. No, you don't be a wicked person in wealth. Try to avoid being a wicked person so that the wealth that is there in you shines because of the sujanata. Shauryasya, for a person who has strength, vaksamyamaha, vaka kattapaduthanum. You have to control your tongue. You try not to speak words without unrestrained words. So vaksamyamaha, vang niyamaha eva bhushanam atra natu asambaddha pralapitvam. So the moment you start talking, blabbering things which are not connected at all, it will lead to unnecessary clashes, and you will, at some point you will face an enemy who is much more stronger than you. So it is better to keep quiet and keep your bravery also in check. So jnanasya upashamaha, jnanam kartavya akartavya vivekasya upashamaha vishaya uparatihi vibhushanam. So not having என்ன சொல்றது, the attachment towards enjoyment, that becomes the ornament for someone who has jnanam. You may have jnanam, but you should know what to do and what not to do. Unnecessarily, you don't attach yourself to the enjoyments of the world. That will naturally lead to greediness, and it is a path for destruction. Vinayaha vittasya patre shrutasya vinayaha. Shrutasya vinayaha, for a person who has well read, vinayaha, being disciplined, is the ornament. Vittasya patre vyaha, one who has money, this is wealth here, this is just a lot of money on hand, then he has to donate it to the proper person. Otherwise, it is of no use. Having money is of no use, because you are going to use it for unnecessary entertainments like vices. So in order to avoid vices, when the moment you have excess, you give donation to the proper person here. Okay. Akrodhas tapasaha. Tapas is penance, or one who is following the path of yoga. When you follow the path of yoga, you try to not get angry at even the smallest instances, because the moment you get angry, your tapo balam reduces. Kshama prabhavituhu kshama. For a person who is capable of things, prabhu shakti yasya vartate tasya tu kshama, forbearance, being patient with others. The moment you have power, that power gets to your head and you will want to enforce your power and show it to everybody, bring them under your control. Adu irukudadu. So you should have more patience. Dharmasya nirvyajata. Nirvyajataங்கிறது என்னன்னா, performing dharma without any reason associated. So அதாவது எப்படின்னா, தர்மா சின்சியாரிட்டி அப்படி வச்சுக்கணும். So nirvyajata is being sincere and not giving excuses for dharma. There should be a sincerity. Aram seiya virumbungirar. Yeah. So aramங்கிறது, that dharma should be done for dharma's sake, not because, oh, I am doing this because of this reason. So there should not be another reason to it. There should be a sincerity associated with performing dharma. So sarvesham sarvakaranam idam. Yet a good character becomes the root cause for all of these things. Vaksamyamaha needs a good character in the person. Sujanata also is a sheelam yatra vartate tatraiva sujanata api vartate, vaksamyamaha vartate, upashamaha vartate, vinayaha, patrevyayaha. All of these characters depend on the base that he has a good attitude towards people, or he has a liking towards good character. அது intrinsically goodங்கிறது, there is ஒரு essay, I think it is a discussion between Plato and Socrates நினைக்கிறேன். What is good அப்படின்னு there is a conversation between the two of them. Something that is intrinsically good, not good because of this, because of that, அப்படிலாம் இல்லை. அதனால it's a nice conversation.
Nirvyaja and avyaja meaning difference இருக்கா? அவ்யாஜ கருணாமூர்த்தின்னு சொல்றோம், அம்பாளை சொல்றோம், சுவாமி.
ஆமா ஆமா, ரொம்ப டிஃபரன்ஸ் சொல்லல, அப்படி ஒன்றும் டிஃபரன்ஸ் இல்லை உங்களுக்கு. வியாஜம் இல்லாத பண்றது அவ்வளவுதான் நிர்வியாஜதா. யூ டோன்ட் அட்டாச் எனி ரீசனிங் டு யோர் ரைச்சியஸ்னஸ், தென் த ஹோல் பர்பஸ் இஸ் லாஸ்ட்.
So both are almost same. Avyaja.
Same da. Avyaja Karunamurthingarche, the compassion that she shows does not need a reason. Oh, na stotram panne ava yen enakku vandu daya kaamikala appadinu thane namba eppa pathalum nenikkirom. So we think that we have done something and that becomes a reason for Devi to show compassion towards us. And madri illa ava adha kaamikradhukku da. Appo
பண்றையோ பண்ணலையோ அவளோட கருணை is always there.
it is there whether you recognize it or not. You should be able to recognize.
Intrinsically she is karuna purna.
She is compassionate, but we half the time we don't recognize the compassion that she shows us. We only look at the negative parts that are happening in our life and say paare kanne tharaka matengra ava abdingro. That is our perspective. Yeah, we have to change our perspective. We have to also believe in the fact that there is a God who is impartial, who is compassionate. Adudane anga and the belief la da it stems from that. So with this the dhairya paddhati is over. Next we go to daiva paddhati. Now the next 20 shlokas, why is this categorized under daiva paddhati, why is this categorized under karma paddhati? It can be really confusing. So it's okay, பரவாயில்ல, எல்லாமே ஒரு மாதிரி அந்த கான்செப்ட் தான் நமக்கு வேணும். So try to categorize, try to memorize it. Maybe these are the 10 shlokas in Daiva Paddhati, these are the 10 shlokas in Karma Paddhati அப்படின்னு போட்டுக்கோங்க. But Daivam is what acts based on the karma that we have done. So Karma Paddhati is the next one. So Daivam acts based on our karma. So the first one is Daivam. This dhairya sheelayoho api daivayattatvam tannirupananantaram daivayattatvat tannirupananantaram daiva paddhatim nirupayati. This character also depends on fate. Whether we are born in that particular birth with such characters depends on fate. That's why he is describing the fate in the next 10 shlokas. नेता यस्य बृहस्पतिः प्रहरणं वज्रं सुरा सैनिकाः स्वर्गो दुर्गम अनुग्रहः खलु हरेः ऐरावतो वारणः इति आश्चर्य बलान्वितः अपि बलभित् भग्नः परैः संगरे तद्व्यक्तं ननु दैवमेव शरणं धिक् धिक् वृथा पौरुषम्. So he's talking about Balabhit here. Balabhit nama Indraha. Valari அப்படிங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, வலாரி தலாரிம்பர் அபிராமி அந்தாதியில. பல அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு அசுரன். இட்ஸ் த நேம் ஆஃப் அன் அசுரா அண்ட் ஹீ டிஸ்ட்ராய்ட் தட் அசுரா. பலபித். ஸோ பலபித் இந்திரஹா ஆச்சரிய பல அன்விதः अपि इति एवं विध आश्चर्य बल अन्वितः अपि अन्वितः युक्तः. Even though he is endowed with such great strengths, yet he was paraihi sangare bhagnaha. He was completely destroyed by others in a war. Idu enna? What is the strength that he has in him? Yasya neta brihaspatihi. So yasya neta brihaspatihi, sakshat brihaspatihi eva tasya neta vartate. Neta nama yah tam sanmarge nayati sayeva neta. So one who is the leader, who is the path shower, who is the guide for Indra here? Brihaspati is the guide, who is the Upadesha Karta. And Brihaspati is also Brihatam Vacham Patihi. He is the Lord of all words. So the Lord of speech himself is the guide for Indra. First strength. Second one, Vajram Praharanam. His Praharanam or Ayudham is Vajrayudham, which was capable of removing the wings of mountains. So he could go and fight Asuras and mountains, and it has such a great power. That is his, அது வந்து என்னன்னா, it has the saram of Dadhichi's bones. So என்ன ஆயிடுறது, there is one small story, I'm not sure when இது சொன்னேனா தெரியல. One of the இதுல Samudra Mathanam, correct. So during Samudra Mathanam, all of the devas and devas, they go and keep their weapons inside a cave so that they are hands free to do the churning. So all of the weapons are inside the cave. In that cave, they did not realize that Dadichi Muni is doing tapas. As Dadichi Muni comes out of his tapas, he is extremely hungry. He looks around and he sees that the weapons are there. He takes in all of the saram of that weapon into himself. So now those weapons which are there do not have that divine power in them at all. So Dadichi has completely swallowed all those, the power of those weapons, and then he is continuing to do tapas. Indra, Samudra Mathanam is over, they all come back, they take their weapons, go away. Then Vritrasura is born. When that fighting happens, they realize that their weapons are without that power. So it is powerless, and so they lose the battle. Then they go back, they ask Brahma. Brahma says it is Dadichi Muni who removed all that power, so you have to go and ask him. So they go to Dadichi Muni. He says, my time is over. I will, give up my bones, my life here. You make weapons using my bones. So the Vajrayudham that Indra has is supposed to be more powerful because it has the tapobalam of Dadichi also. The power has been integrated into his bones and he uses those bones to build his Vajrayudham. So imagine the power that Vajrayudham has. So Praharanam Vajram. Suraha Sainikaha. His warriors are Suraha. All the devas are his warriors in the battle. Swargaha Durgam. What is his fortress? Swarga. Swarga is a place where you only come there to enjoy pleasure. You don't enjoy, there is no possibility of dukkham at all in Swargam. Such a place is the fortress for him. And whose anugraham does he have? He has the grace of Sakshat Vishnu. Harehe khalu anugraha. He has the grace of Bhagavan Vishnu here. And then Airavataha Varanaha. Airavata Varana Tasya. I think you have to put this anugraha as the end. Varanaha Gajaha Airavataha Natu Yahkaschit Kalabaha. It is not some random elephant which is his Vahanam, but it is one of the Loka Diggaja. And Hari, not any Kshudra Devata is his Anugraha Data, Kintu Harihi Vishnuhu Eva Tatra Anugraha Data. Iti Ascharya Bala Anvitaha Balabhite. Having such great powers, is despite the fact that he has such a great power, still what happened? Paraihi Sangare Bhagnaha. He was destroyed or defeated in the battle by the enemies. So Tadvyaktam. Now what is very clear here? Nanu Daivameva Sharanam. We have to take the refuge of Daivam or fate. Dik dik vritha paurusham. This paurusham and the effort seems to be of no use here. Dik அப்படின்னா chichi waste அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா அந்த மாதிரி dik dik paurusham iti dikkaraha tatra kriyate dik dik ityukte punaf paunaf punyena nindyam. That is why you have vipsa here. Aprayojakatvat. It is of no use. Paurusham is of no use if Daivam is against you. So even though he has so many things on his side, still he could not win over the Asuras. Netayasya Brihaspati Praharanam Vajram Sura Sainikaha Swargo Durgam Anugrah Kalu Harehe Airavato Varanaha Ityascharya Balanvitopi Balabhit Bhagnaf Parais Sangare Tadvyaktam Nanu Daivameva Sharanam Dig Dig Vritaha Paurusham. Bhagnashasya Karanda Pindita Tanoho Mlanendriyasya Kshudha Kritva Akhuhu Vivaram Swayam Nipatitaha Naktam Mukhe Bhoginaha Triptastat Pishitena Sattvaramasau Tenaiva Yataf Patha Swasthas Tisthata Daivameva Hi Param Vruddhau Kshayecha Karana. Bhartrihari is addressing all of the people and saying Swasthas Tishtata. Jaliya abdin artha. Swasthaha nama happy aire abdingra. There is no point in doing any effort here. Fate is the param karanam. It is the ultimate cause for vriddhi or kshayam. Whether you are going to attain greatness in this world or you are going to attain rise or fall. So fate is the only thing that is going to be the greatest cause for either rise or fall. So you just stay put, swasthaha tishtata. Now he is giving a example for that. There is a basket, and inside that basket there is a very tired serpent that is just coiled, and it is weak with hunger and everything. So it is inside a basket. At night there is a mouse which doesn't know where to go. It thinks that there is some item to eat inside this basket, and it makes a hole and falls into this basket. It becomes a prey to the snake. The snake goes out through the same hole that the mouse did. Now this is fate. So bhagnashasya akhuhu nama mushakaha. Akhuvahananna ivrukku peru pulliyarukku. So akhuhu mushakaha, a mouse, vivaram kritva, having made a hole in a basket, right? Having made a hole, what does it do? Bhagnashasya karanda pindita tanoho mlana kshudam mlana indriyasya bhoginaha mukhe naktam swayam nipatitaha. It goes and falls down into the mouth of a snake which is inside the karanda. So bhagnashasya, the snake is bhagnasha. It is completely lost its asha. That is, it's not got food for a long time. This snake charmer has caught it and kept it. So it is in a very dizzy state right now, and it's asha manoratha eva nasti tatra bhagna manoratha saha tasmat bhagnashasya bhoginaha. Bhogi is a serpent here. So akuhu vivaram kritva, where does it fall? Ellame, now it is an adjective to the bhogi, snake. Bhagnashasya, into the mouth of a snake which has lost its hope. Karanda pindita tanoho, its tanu form is completely pinditam. It is pinda iva jatam tatra. Pinditam nama abdiye shurtinte irukkalya. It has been made into a heap inside a karanda basket. Kshudha mlana indriyasya, because of hunger, its indriya, all of his sense organs are completely faded away. It doesn't sense the mouse outside. It doesn't immediately ஏதோ ஒன்று வருது. It should show its presence, like அந்த கொத்தும் இல்லையா, பாம்பெல்லாம் டக்கு டக்குன்னு ஏதாவது பக்கத்துல வர்றச்சேயே it will show its action that something is coming, and it will be hypersensitive to people who are moving here and there. But then this snake has completely lost its hope, and it's in a small heap format inside the basket, and because of hunger its indriyas are all weak. Mlana indriyasya kshudha tasya bhoginaha mukhe, in the mouth of such a snake. This akhuhu vivaram kritva, it makes a hole in that basket, and naktam, during night it makes this hole, and swayam nipatitaha, it falls into the mouth of the snake itself. All it can do is open its mouth. Penna eduthu tat pishitena. Now that is one sentence over. Tat pishitena triptasanna, this snake becomes really happy with that mamsam of that mouse. Satwaram, immediately what does it do? Asau tenaiva patha yataha. So tenaiva patha yataha, it goes through the same path which was taken by the mouse. So the mouse made a hole and came here. இதுக்கு வந்து there is one விஷமா அலங்காரா, இஷ்டத்தை எதிர்பார்த்துன்னு போகும்போது அனிஷ்டஸ்ய அவாப்திஹி, இஷ்டாஷாயாம் அனிஷ்ட பிராப்திஹின்னு there is one அலங்காரம், விஷமா அலங்காரம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So it wants something else to eat, but it ends up being the prey here. The snake goes out through the same path, yataha. So look at this episode, so keep quiet. Daivameva param karanam vruddho kshayeva. So mushakasya kshaye api daivameva karanam. Bhoginaha vruddhau api daivameva karanam atra. Right? भग्नाशस्य करण्डपिण्डिततनोः म्लानेन्द्रियस्य क्षुधा कृत्वा खुः विवरं स्वयं निपतितः नक्तं मुखे भोगिनः
For the
Trip-
snake, can we say அனிஷ்டாசயாம் இஷ்டப்பிராப்தி?
அனிஷ்டங்கிறது அதுக்கு இல்ல அவ்வளவு தூரம் வரல.
It is given up all hopes.
அனிஷ்டஸ்யாபி அவாப்திஹி, that is another way. பக்ஷ்யாசயா அஹிமஞ்சூஷாம் தஷ்ட்வா ஆகுஹு தேன பக்ஷிதஹ, that is the example given in குவலயானந்தா itself. சாட்ல பார்த்தேன்னா இருக்கு. அனிஷ்டஸ்ய அவாப்திஹி இஷ்டார்த்த சமுத்தியமாத். திருப்தஸ்தத் பிஷிதேன சத்வரமசௌ தேனைவ யாதஃ பதா ஸ்வஸ்தாஸ்திஷ்டத தெய்வமேவ ஹி பரம் விருத்தௌ க்ஷயே ச காரணம். யதா கந்துகபாதேன உத்பதத்யார்யः பதன்னபி ததா த்வனார்யः பததி மிருத்பிண்டபதனம் யதா. யதா, இது this is an upama alankara because of the yatha tatha. Kandukapatena yatha, just like, you know, when you throw a ball, it bounces up back, whereas when you throw a clod of earth or clod of clay, it just falls right down, it doesn't get up at all. So this is the difference between an arya and a anarya. So Daivayatika, one who believes in Daivam and one who does not believe in Daivam. Aryaha is a person who believes in Daivam, fate. Let's see what fate has for me. I will do my effort. அதுதான் அங்க தெய்வம் நிகத்திய குரு பௌருஷம் ஆத்மசக்தியா யத்னே கிருதே யதின சித்தியதி கோத்திர தோஷா. So yes, தெய்வேன தேயம் இதி கா புருஷாக வதந்தி. So they will just sit down and do nothing about it. Okay. Whereas here he takes it as Daivayatika in the sense, yes, Daivam acts, but at the same time it will only act if you act. Otherwise, Daivam has no chance of going in there. Yeah. போகவே இல்லைன்னா அப்புறம் எப்படி சாப்பிட்றது? அந்த மாதிரி அது சமைக்கவே இல்லைன்னா எங்கேருந்து சாப்பாடு இருக்கும்? அது வேணும் இல்லையோ? யூ மேக் an effort and then whether you have the bhagyam in you or not to eat is another matter. You may have made a full feast and then suddenly someone calls, you would have gone out. You won't be able to eat that feast. That is different. Right? So kanduka patena yatha, just like the ball which falls down, an intelligent person, a wise person will always bounce back. Right? So yatha kandukapatena tatha patannapi utpatati aryaha. Utpatati patannapi, even though he falls down, at the same time utpatati uchrayam prapnoti. Even if he falls, even if he goes down to a very bad condition, still he will rise up if he has daivam on his side. அப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம். Tatha anaryaha, if he is a wicked person, then what happens to him is, if he falls down, then he is like a clod of clay which just falls down. That's it. ஓடுற வரைக்கும் ஓடும், விழுந்தான்னா காலி. அதான் மிருத்பிண்ட பதனம் யதா ததா பததி. He falls down like a ball of clay. Both, there are two upamas here which are separate. So yatha kandukapatena utpatati aryah patannapi tatha tu anaryah patati mritpinda patanam yatha. Khalvato divaseshwarasya kiranaihi santapite mastake gachan desham anatapam drutagatihi talasya moolangatah tatrapyasya mahaphalena patata bhagnam sajadam shirah prayo gacchati yatra daiva hatakah tatraiva yantyapataha. Doesn't matter where you go. If you are destined to die, you will die. Either it is of heat stroke, or you go and take the shade of a tree, and on that tree a big fruit comes and falls on your head and you will die. அவ்வளவுதான் இங்க கல்வாட்டஹா. ஆனா when I read it when I was young in school and all, இந்த 8ஆம் கிளாஸ் 9ஆம் கிளாஸ்ல படிச்ச ஸ்லோகம் அதெல்லாம் ஒரு ஃபன்னியா இருக்கும் நமக்கு. பட் யோசிச்சு பார்த்தோம்னா பாவம், யூனோ, a bald man suffering this kind of a end is sad, இல்ல? But Daivam, fate is what acts here. Khalvataha, Khalvataha nama one who does not swabhavayeva lupta loma shiraskaha. Swabhavayeva, naturally one who has lost all his hair and he is a bald man. When he Kalvataha, Divaseshwarasya kiranaihi mastake santapite sati. When his head is santapitam, is tormented by the sun's rays, which falls on his head, he seeks to go to a place which doesn't have any atapam, any sun's heat. So Divaseshwarasya kiranaihi, by the rays of the sun, mastake santapite sati, when his head is completely tormented or heated up, what does he do? Anatapam desham gachanne. He goes to a desha, he goes to a place which is anatapam, shaded place, that which doesn't have any heat. Drutagatihi, quickly he goes there. Parantu talasya moolam gataha, he goes and stands under a palm tree. Yedo unnu illa. It doesn't matter if the palm tree cannot give a shade. It could be a small palm tree which gives shade. Probably he is standing underneath that. So, reach the foot of a palm tree by chance. But there again, tatrapi asya shiraha patata mahaphalena asya shiraha sashabdam bhagnam. His head split bhagnam loudly with sound. Sashabdam yatha syat tatha bhagnam iti. So it is a kriya visheshanam here. Patata mahaphalena, with by a fruit which was falling. It fell down on his head and his head split with a great sound. So apadaha yatra daiva hatakaha prayaha yatra daiva hatakaha gacchati daivena hataha iti daiva hataha or daiva hatakaha. Hataha eva hatakaha. So one who has been hit by daivam, that is, he is an unfortunate person who doesn't have that fortune, that luck, who is not unlucky person. So daiva hatakaha, and wherever an unlucky person goes, tatraiva yanti apadaha, misfortunes follow him to that place.
உப்புவுக்கு போனா மழை பெய்யறது, பஞ்சு
விற்க போனா காத்தடி. அதுதான்.
பட்டக்காலே படும் சுட்ட
காலே சுடும். தெரியாது.
பட்டக்காலே செய்யப்படும்.
இதுதான் அந்த காக்கா உட்கார்ந்து பனைமரம் விழுந்ததுன்னு சொல்லுவான், அந்த கதையா அது?
காக்கா உட்கார பனைமரம் விழுந்ததுங்கிறது அது வந்து தட் இஸ் எதிர்ச்சையா கதம். அது இந்த இடத்துல தெய்வம் just follows you. Fate will follow you wherever it is. You can't help it. அதுதான் சொல்றேன். खल्वाटो दिवसेश्वरस्य किरणैः सन्तापिते मस्तके गच्छन् देशम् अनातपं द्रुतगतिः तालस्य मूलं गतः तत्राप्यस्य महाफलेन पतता भग्नं सशब्दं शिरः प्रायो गच्छति यत्र दैवहतकस्तत्रैव यान्त्यापदाः आपदः. கஜ இங்கே கடைசியில் அவர் கரெக்டா சொல்றார். ததேதத் மஷக பயாத் கிராமம் விஹாய. Out of fear for mosquitoes, he will leave the forest, you leave the village and go to a forest. Gachatah aranye vyaghra grahanam abhuta. He was caught by the tiger. அதுக்கு கொசு கடிச்சுட்டே இதுலயே கிராமத்திலே இருந்திருக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு. கஜ புஜங்க விஹங்கம பந்தனம் शशि दिवाकरयोः ग्रहपीडनम. You have any doubts? Clear. Okay. शशि दिवाकरयोः ग्रहपीडनम मतिमतां च विलोक्य दरिद्रतां विदिरहो बलवान इति मे मतिः. This is an ERC. ரொம்ப முக்கியமா கேப்பா. So gaja bhujanga vihangama bandhanam, looking at all of these things, vilokya, when I see the way in which elephants are being tied, bhujanga and vihanga, even snakes are, it is difficult to tie an elephant, it is difficult to control a snake, nor is it difficult to catch hold of a bird. Ellame it has a different kind of strength, right? An elephant is huge, it is too strong, and a snake is dangerous, whereas a bird, it flies all over the place. So all three, it is difficult to catch all of these three animals. Yet gaja bhujanga vihangama bandhanam, I see that all these three are caught at some juncture or the other by some people. Shashi divakarayoho api grahapeedanam, the moon and the sun can also be caught by graha, by Rahu கேது இல்லையா, ராகுனுடைய இதுதானே எக்லிப்ஸ்ட். ஈவன் த சன் அண்ட் moon can be eclipsed here. ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம். शशि दिवाकरयोः ग्रहपीडनम. Grahapeedanam nama eclipsed. Even the luminous bodies like the sun and the moon can be eclipsed here. Matimatam, those who are intelligent, even those people I see that they suffer from poverty. Matimatam daridratam cha vilokya. If you are very intelligent and smart, you should be able to live with a lot of wealth in this world. Seeing the poverty of intelligent people, me matihi, I think my conclusion is vidhihi eva balavan iti. Vidhiraho balavan. Najamave, the vidhi, nobody can escape the vidhi. Harinapi, harenapi, brahmanapi, surairapi. Lalata likhita reka parimashtum nashakyate. It's difficult to remove the tallalth. Even by Hari, Hara or the Devas. Gajabhujanga vihangama bandhanam shashi divakarayor grahapeedanam matimatancha vilokya daridratam vidiraho balavan iti me matihi. Srijati tavad ashesha gunakaram purusharatnam alankaranam bhuvaha tadapi tarkshana bhangi karoti chet ahaha kashtam apanditata vidhehe. Now he says that this vidhi is not intelligent. He says vidhi is balavan. Yes, I agree. But at the same time, the vidhi seems to have no sense of discretion. It is indiscriminate. Apanditata, it is a fool. It doesn't have that intelligence. Yeah? It creates a person, Purusha Ratnam, a great person, Sreshtaha, Tatra Srijyate. Okay? And then what does it do? Ashesha Guna Akaram Purusham Ratnam. He also is an Akara. He is a mine of all good qualities. The best among best. Bhuvaha Alankaranam. He is like the ornament of this entire earth. Yet Tadapi Takshana Bhangi Karoti. He ensures that he is Nashwara. He is not eternal. Having created a gem of a man who is Bhuvaha Alankaranam, an ornament for this earth, and he is the Akara. He is like a mine of all gunas, qualities. Yet the Creator makes this such a man a very short-lived person. So, ahaha, kashtam, alas, it is, unintelligence of vidhi here. Probably he lost someone who is very young. That could have prompted him to write like this. In general, when you find that people are really good, really intelligent, excellent in quality, சீக்கிரம் ஆயிஷுண்டார் போல இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நினைச்சுப்போம் இல்லையா, அந்த மாதிரி it's possible. Or in general, the lifespan of a man is so small and short, and it is also unpredictable. Ada solrar. It is compared to the devas and all, this is an unpredictability that he is talking about. Okay, so srijati tavad ashesha gunakaram purusharatnam alankaranam bhuvaha tadapi takshana bhangi karoti chet. If he makes him as non-eternal like this, who is also transitory in this manner, ahaha kashtam apanditata vidhehe. Ayam amrita nidanam nayako pyoshadhinam shatabhisha ganuyataha shambhu murdhnaha avatamsaha virahayati nachainam raja yakshma shashankam hatavidhi parivakah kenava langhaniyaha. Now he looks at the moon and talks about the good qualities that are there in moon, very similar to the first shloka that we saw, which is about Indra. Ascharya balayuktaha api indraha paraihi jitaha iti. So atrapi, look at the moon here. Ayam amritasya nidhanam. It is the nidhanam sthanam for amritam, nectar. So amrita kiranaha eva shashankasya, chandrasya. So amritasya nidhanam iti, and there is in the Vishnu Puranathla padichelna, all Puranas you will have this, but Vishnu Purana also has this. It says that every day the nectar that is there in the moon is taken by each devata. The first day it is Agni which takes the nectar. So the next day it is Soma, and the Madri Indran, ororthar. then the last 2 days Amavasya and Chaturdashi and the Paurnami and the டயத்துல வந்து it is the Pitru Devatas who take the nectar. So on the Amavasya day, then slowly it gets replenished by the nectar, and then again he feeds the devas and pitris. It seems this is a kind of symbolic representation of the waxing and waning of the moon. So Amritasya Nidhanam Ityuktam is the repository of Amritam, nectar. Oshadhinam api nayakaha. Since it is the repository of nectar, it is also the time when the herbs grow. Herbs are supposed to be nourished by the moonlight, and they grow during the night. So Oshadhinam nayakaha Chandraha ityapi uktam. One. The next is Shatabhishak Anuyataha. Idu vandu there is a Slesha Alankara in this. Shatabhishak iti Sadayam Nakshatram irukku illaya. So Shatabhishak Nakshatram is followed by Shatabhishak. Or Shatam Bhishak Bhishajau Bhishajaha Taihi Anuyataha. Shatam Bhishak Bihi Anuyataha. So he is followed by 100 doctors. அதுவும் இருக்கு. He has Amritam in himself. He is the lord of all the Oshadhi, and he has 100 Bhishak following him, 100 Vaidyas, doctors following him. அது தவிர he is also the crest jewel of Parameshwara. Shambhu Murdhnaha Avatamsaha nama Chudamani Saha. He also is present as the crown jewel of Sakshat Parameshwara. He doesn't need anybody else. So much of strength is there in him. Yet, Raja Yakshma Enam Shashankam na virahayati. Na virahayati. Vidradilla na artham. It is not, he is not, he is, இது வந்து Raja Yakshmaங்கிறது TB. Tuberculosis, consumption அப்படிங்கிறோம். So Raja Yakshma seems to follow him continuously. Even though he is the lord of medicinal herbs, he has nectar, Amritam, he is followed by 100 physicians or Shatabhishak Nama Nakshatra Yuktaha, and he is also Shiva's crown jewel. Yet, consumption or TB, tuberculosis, does not leave the moon at all. Raja Yakshma Enam Shashankam na virahiyati. Raja Yakshma na consumption na that waning, இல்லையா? That is இது Raja, இது வந்து ஒரு the waning is taken as wasting away of the body which is caused by tuberculosis. So the first sign is when you lose weight drastically, of course associated with the cough or anything else, then the cause is TB. அதுதான் Raja Yakshma. Hatha vidhi paripakaha kenava langhaniyaha. By whom can the effects of fate Paripakam nama effect of Hatha Vidhi. Hatha Vidhi nale, wherever you see this word Hatha in the madri use பண்ணாலே இந்த பாழா போன விதியினுடைய ஒரு பரிபாகம் யாரால தான் தாண்ட முடியும்னு அர்த்தம். அதான் Hatha நாம miserable. This miserable effects of this fate can be overcome. Who can overcome the fate? புரியுதா?
அந்த இதுல வருமே ஹா ஹந்த ஹந்த நளினீம் கஜ உஜ்ஜா.
ஐயோ சொல்லாதீங்க, எனக்கு அதை நினைச்சாலே எங்கேயோ வந்து இட் வில் ஜஸ்ட் டக் மீ.
எனக்கு ஐ யூஸ் டு cry at that ரொம்ப வருத்தமா இருக்கும்.
ஆமா, அதுவும் when I was young I learned that ஸ்லோகம் ராத்திரிர் கவிஷ்யதி பவிஷ்யதி சுப்ரபாதம். ராத்திரி போயிடுறது, பவிஷ்யதி இத்தம் விசிந்தயதி இல்லையா? ராத்திரிர் கமிஷ்யதி பவிஷ்யதி சுப்ரபாதம் பாஸ்வான் உதேஷ்யதி ஹசிஷ்யதி பங்கஜஸ்ரீஹி இத்தம் விசிந்தயதி கோஷகதே த்விரேபே ஹந்த ஹந்த நளினீகஜ உஜ்ஜஹார்.
I also learned it.
Fate.
I used to be very sad.
I know. So there is this bee which goes into the lotus oda ulla poi. It is trying to take the nectar. What does it think? It says, okay, you know what? Ratrir Gamishyati. The night will go. And then the Padma moodindurathu. You know, it is night already. And then it is slowly closing, but it is still enjoying the nectar. It wants to enjoy more and more. So Ratrir Gamishyati. Bhavishyati Suprabhatam. Ella future tense. Morning will happen. And then Udeshyati Bhaswan, the sun will rise. Hasishyati Pankajashrihi. And the lotus will also bloom. Then we can go out. Appadinu nenichinde it goes inside, it seems. And then hanta hanta nalinim gajaha ujjahara. An elephant comes there and completely swallows that lotus. That is fate. அதான் என்ன பண்றது.
அந்த மாதிரி
பிரியசக
plants ஏ இருக்கு, இன்செக்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சாப்பிடுற பிளான்ட்ஸே இருக்கு.
அதேதான் அந்த வீனஸ் அந்த என்ன ஃப்ளைட் ட்ராப் ஒன்று உண்டு.
வீனஸ் ஃப்ளைட் ட்ராப்.
பிரியசக விபத்தண்டாகாத பிரவாத பரம்பரா பரிச்சய பலே சிந்தா சக்கரே நிதாய விதி கலஹா மிருதமிவ பலாத் பிண்டீகிருத்ய பிரகல்ப குலாலவத் பிரமயதி மனோனோ ஜானீமஹா கிமத்ர விதாஸ்யதி. என்ன மீட்டர் அது? ஹரிணி. ஓகே. So priyasakha vipat dandagata pravata parampara parichaya bale chinta chakre khalaha vidhihi manaha naha manaha vidhaya alladu verum manaha vidhaya brahmayati. This wicked vidhi, fate, what it does is it places our mind on a chinta chakra. Chinta chakre manaha nidhaya. It takes our mind and it places it on a chinta chakram. In the chakram of in the sense of இது அதாவது என்ன சிந்தா thought இல்லைன்னா கவலை worries. So it is a chakra like a kulalavat, pragalbha kulalavat, like a very mature or a very expert potter. This vidhi, what it does is it takes our mind and puts it on that chakram, just like how you take a mridam niva balat pindi kritya, you take clay, you make it into a ball and then put it in the middle of the chakram to make a pot, and then you start swirling, the potter starts swirling the chakram. So that chakram is called chinta chakram. This manas is now a mrit pindam. It is placed in the middle of that chakram. He starts hitting it, and he takes a huge stick and then he starts hitting it such that it keeps swirling faster and faster. It has to maintain that momentum. And what is that stick here? Vipadanda. Vipatta abatta. Calamities is the stick with which he is hitting us, constantly hitting the mind. So any vipat that happens, it is not just a physical pain. Our mind also goes through that pain. Illana stress disorders and all come up, right? It is a mental issue also. So vipat, calamities, are the danda here. And with that dandam he hits aghata. By that forceful action, pravata, there is a wind that comes about in succession. Pravata parampara parichaya bale chinta chakre. This chinta or the series of thoughts are it is எப்படி சொல்றது, பரிச்சய பலம்னா பரிச்சய சம்ஸ்தரஹ நிபிட அவயவ பரஸ்பர சன்னிவேஷஹான்கிறார். சயேவ பலம் தார்டியம், அதனால அப்படியே வச்சு இன்னும் திருடமா ஆக்கியிருக்கு. ஆபத்து வந்து வந்து அடிச்சதுனால அதனுடைய பரிச்சயம் ஏற்பட்டதுனால பலம் ரொம்பவும் ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கக்கூடிய சிந்தா சக்கரம். அப்படி கனெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். Okay, in the chakram of worry, which is balam, which is extremely strong because of the familiarity with such vipat, calamities. Being hit by the calamities constantly, and because of the wind that comes in succession, it has a familiarity with calamities. Yet that is the chinta chakram that this mind has been placed into right now. It has to worry constantly because there is an onslaught of calamities constantly for us. Disasters are coming and hitting us. So tadrisha chinta chakre vidhihi khalaha vidhihi, this wicked fate has placed our mind on it like a mritpindam. Balat pindikritya mridam iva nidhaya saha brahmayati. He makes our mind swirl in that thoughts of worries constantly. Adi irkatum kimatra vidhasyati iti no janimaha. At least a potter, the result is a pot. Now what is this daivam going to achieve by putting our mind on such a chakram of worries? I don't know. What is the end result here? Na janimaha. Kim vidhasyati iti. Priyasakha விபத்தண்டாகாத பிரவாத பரம்பரா பரிச்சய பலே சிந்தா சக்கரே நிதாய விதி கலஹ மிருதமிவ பலாத் பிண்டீகிருத்ய பிரகல்ப குலாலவத் பிரமயதி மனோ நோ ஜானீமஹ கிமத்ர விதாஸ்யதி. சரி, மேபி ரெண்டும் கொஞ்சம் பெரிய ஸ்லோகம். வில் டூ தட் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ். ஓகே.
மோதிய பூஷண அலங்காரம் பரிக்கர அலங்காரம் 69 இஸ்
வரேன். அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்டே வந்து பரிக்கர அலங்காரம் முட்டேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
79
இதுல 79ல 81
ஓகே.
இதுல தான் வந்து பரிக்கர அலங்காரம். இதுல வந்து நேதா ப்ரஹஸ்பதிஹி. So Brihaspatihi Neta is an adjective here. He is the guide. It is Sabhipraya Visheshane. In the sense, Brihaspati is capable of guiding Indra in the proper direction to ensure that he gets no defeat. Adha சொன்னேன். ஒவ்வொன்றுத்துக்கும் I gave a background also, இல்லையா? So that background is the Abhiprayam. So Sabhipraya Visheshane Parikara Alankara.
80 is பூஷணம்.
தெய்வமேவன் வந்தது. So it is easier to put it under.
தெய்வ பத்ததியில போட்டுக்கலாம். கரெக்ட். என்ன 80 தானே? 80 என்ன?
80 பூஷணம்.
என்னது பூஷணம்? அப்படின்னு ஒண்ணு இருக்கா? பூஷணம் நாம அலங்காரஹான்னு போட்டிருக்கா. ஓகே. சர்வ காரணம் ஐஸ்வர்யாதி சமஸ்த நிதானம் இதம் பூர்வ உபவர்ணிதம் ஏகமேவ ஷீலம் சர்வேஷாமபி சர்வபும்சாம் பரம் சௌஜன்யாத் அபேக்ஷயா உத்கிருஷ்டம் பூஷணம் அலங்காரஹ. இல்ல there is no alankara called பூஷண அலங்காரா. he is just saying பூஷணம் is equal to அலங்காரா. அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஓகே.
this is not an alankara. It's not a technical term alankara. Okay.
And do we have Atishayukti in 86?
Which is 86?
Srijati Tavat.
வேண்டாமே. எதுக்கு?
No Atishayukti.
வேண்டாம்.
But remaining things can we put Drishtanta?
திருஷ்டாந்தம் வராது. You can
85, 84 and all.
இதுக்கெல்லாம் திருஷ்டாந்தம் கிடையாது. கஜபுஜங்க விஹங்கமம்லாம் திருஷ்டாந்தம் இல்ல. விலோக்கிய விதிஹி பலவான் இது மே மதிஹி. அவ்வளவுதான். சிம்பிள் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் ஃபார்வர்ட். அதுல ஒன்றும் அலங்காரம் கிடையாது. இதுல கல்வாட்டோ திவசேஸ்வரஸ்ய வந்து யூ கேன் ஹாவ் தெய்வஹதக தத்ர யாந்தி ஆபதாஹங்கிறது இங்கேயும் ஒன்றும் சரிப்பட்டு வராது. யூ கேன் சமர்த்தனம் பண்ணா சொல்லலாம். அர்த்தாந்தர நியாச அலங்காரம் பண்ணா சொல்லலாம். இங்க பிராயோகச்சதி எத்திர தெய்வஹதகஹ தத்ரைவ யாந்தி ஆபதஹ கேன் பி அர்த்தாந்தர நியாச. இங்க உபமா சொன்னேன். 83ல I said உபமா. பக்னாசஸ்ய தெய்வமேவ பரம் விருத்தௌ க்ஷயே காரணம் இஸ் ஆல்சோ அர்த்தாந்தர நியாச.
Okay.
அண்ட் விஷமாலங்காரா சொன்னேன் அந்த இடத்துல.
Bhagna is also
Vishamalangara
and third Vishama, third Prabheda.
Yes. Ayam Amrita Nidhanam Kenavalanganiyahangra இடத்துல இது வந்து இது எல்லாமே கொஞ்சம் இந்த அர்த்தாந்தர நியாசம் மாதிரி தான் இருக்கு. ஆர் யூ கேன் டேக் இட் அஸ் அப்ரஸ்துத பிரசம்சா. சரிப்பட்டு வரல அது எனக்கு. இந்த அர்த்தாந்தர நியாசம் லோகோக்தி துவாராங்கிறதே மைண்ட்ல இட் இஸ் தேர். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் நாட் அலங்காரா. இதுல வேண்டாம்.
No, you said we have Shlesha.
அது இருக்கு. That is because of the word Rajayakshma. Only the word Rajayakshma and Shatabhishak. Sorry. These two words, Shatabhishak and Rajayakshma, both of these are double meaning. So, Shlesha Alankara. Okay. இது ஒன்றும் இல்லை. There is no Alankara in this. Maybe the next class, Papa.
Rupakam we can put for 88.
There is Vipaddandam is Rupakam. Chinta Chakre Rupakam. அப்புறம் மிருதம் இவ is Upama. Kulalavat is also Upama. Okay? So two Upamas and இது வந்து பரம்பரித்த ரூபகம் because Vipaddanda and Chinta Chakra are connected in one imagery. So it is a பரம்பரித்த ரூபகம். Okay? These two are just Upama. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Okay.
ஆ
இந்த ராஜயக்ஷ்மாக்கு வாட் இஸ் த அதர் மீனிங்?
ஜஸ்ட் இதுதான் குறைதல் அப்படிங்கிறது தான். ஸோ ராஜாங்கிறது வந்து சந்திரன்.
ஓகே.
ஸோ ராஜஸ்ய யக்ஷ்மா ராஜா ச அசோ யக்ஷ்மானாலே குறையறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ ராஜ்யா யக்ஷ்மா சந்திரஸ்ய யக்ஷ்மா, சந்திராஸ் வேனிங்
ஓகே
is the meaning. The other meaning is Raja, the great Yakshma, TB, tuberculosis, which is the greatest disease that people thought. So அதனால
க்ஷயரோகம் தான் சொல்லுவோம். க்ஷயரோகம்னு
க்ஷயः அசேஷ ரோகராட் இது ஸ்மிருதः. Okay.